My doorbell camera records a child knocking on my door every night at 3:17. Quiet suburban cul-de-sac. Connecticut. Lived here 4 years. I always lock the porch gate at 10. First clip came in last March. Small figure in a striped shirt at the door. I checked the porch. Empty. Same shirt. Same time. Same 3 knocks every night since. I stayed up to catch him. The camera caught him. My eyes did not. I asked the neighbors. No one has a son the right age on this street. Last week the clip showed him turning toward the camera. He waved. Then he pointed at me through the bedroom window. I unplugged the camera last Tuesday. He is still knocking. I can hear him now.